So what I'm going to do now is gently take these guys off, hopefully without disturbing anything. Now let's get the shims to work. This is what's really going to hold this leather down, as well as just really get the ties to bite into the there we go. Same thing here. So I think I said in a previous video, if you ever wondered where the word book binding comes from, it's this. You literally bind a book. So continue to make the binding tighter and tighter by adding more and more shims. Oops. Oh yeah. More and more. No, didn't need to do that. Two more. Eco-inventory. Okay. There we are. Okay. There is now a lot of force biting down into this leather, which will shrink as it dries and take the form. It'll stick to the cardboard that's underneath and just look really, really cool with these raised bands and compartment. And these are pressing down very, very heavily on this old leather that was quite fragile. So that will adhere with the glue, end up really flat. And I think that'll work quite well. So going to leave this alone now for a couple of hours, let nature take its course, and hopefully things will dry out nicely, and we'll have a look at it later this evening.